Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? It's time for the final countdown. The new year starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Heyo, boss, and welcome back. That's right, it's our New Year's video. Man, 2021. What really did we think could have happened? I mean, we really thought we were in the clear, weren't we, people? We weren't in the clear. Everything happened. Everything went wrong. This time we just didn't hide away. We just walked around like we owned the place, like nothing was going wrong. Well, it wasn't the best year, but Chef has a great recipe to kick off the new year. He's going to tell everyone simply, let's just man up. It's time to man up, everybody. We have the man up chicken wings. Oh, wow. So Chef wants to know, how do you man up a chicken wing? Well, very simple, Chef said. This is how you man up a chicken wing. Let's go ahead, folks. Man up and get cooking. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to check your chicken wing. Now he's got the drum, he's got the wing, he's got the wing tip. Nothing's been separated. The entire thing. Chef's going to go ahead. He's got the fresh wings, of course. He always uses fresh wings. He's going to salt these wings. That's right, Chef. You man up and salt those wings. Next, you know what he's going to do. He's going to pepper those wings. Pepper them good. And finally, he's going to go ahead and put them on a wire rack. He's going to have his oven set to 450 degrees. And he's going to put some oil right on top. A little canola oil. Just a little drizzle. Let's put these in the oven. 30 to 35 minutes. Cook those up. While those are cooking, let's go ahead and get our glaze. Pot, medium heat. Throw a little oil in there. Let that heat up. Next, chop a red onion. Put that red onion in after several minutes. Start to give that a good stir. Give about 10 or so minutes to cook this down. Next up, got the crushed garlic. Throw some crushed garlic in there. Stir it around. Keep it going. Next up, of course, we got some salt and pepper. All the ingredients will be listed down below. Don't fret, everybody. Next up, our seasonings. Little smoked paprika, little garlic powder, some dried mustard. All the ingredients will be down below. Again, don't forget, we're not leaving you out. Stir that around. If it starts to stick to the bottom, throw a little water in there. That'll clean up that pot. All right. Everything's looking good. It's been about 15 or so minutes. Red wine vinegar, ketchup. And then finally, you got your cherry cola. We're not going to tell you if you use Pepsi or to use Coke or to use cola. That's up to you. We're not sponsored. We're not caring. Give this a stir. Let this cook. You want it to bring to a nice boil. When it comes to a boil, you're going to cook it for about 10 minutes and then take it off the heat and let it rest. Oh, it's been about 30, 35 minutes. Look at them wings. Flip them over. Flip them all over. They're going to go back in the oven after they've been flipped for about 5 minutes. When they come out after about 5 minutes, they're going to look like this. Beautiful. What's Chef going to do now? He's going to man up. He's going to take those wings off. Put them in a big bowl. Big bowl. All right, next up. All right, we got our glaze. It's been resting for a while. He's going to go ahead. Now he's going to blend it. He's not going to use his electric blender. He's going to man up. He's going to hand blend that. You hand blend that, Chef. Hand blend that. Nice and good. All right. A couple big ladles right on top of those wings. Absolutely. All right. Toss those wings. You can stay young forever if you follow your heart. After a good toss, what you're going to do now, Chef's going to put them back on the wire rack, skin side up, and just drizzle a little bit on top of those wings. Now he has his oven set to broil. 5 minutes in the broil. Here's what they look like. Ooh, look at those manned up chicken wings. There you go, folks. Manned up chicken wings. You got the drumstick, you got the wing, you got the wing tip, you got it all. These were delicious. Crispy, came apart. Awesome. Awesome New Year's appetizer. Hope you bring this to your party. Be safe this year in 2020, 2022. Chef's got some words for you. You're going to be good this year. You're going to do what's right because he's got your name, he's got your number, and he knows where you live. and he's coming for you. Because Chef manned up. He's going to bring these wings. Happy New Year, everybody. Don't forget, cooking should be fun. So man up and have fun doing it.